Would you like to have an impressive rear? Then don't miss these 5 squats that will help you transform your body effectively. But before we begin, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of our content. And for those who have already subscribed, thank you for being part of this community. Now, let's talk about squats. Why are they so effective? Well, squats are one of the most complete exercises for working the muscles of the glutes, legs, and abdomen at the same time. Plus, you can do them anywhere and without special equipment. But not all squats are created equal. In this video, I'll show you the 5 best squats for perfect glutes that will allow you to achieve results in no time. Don't worry if you're a beginner in the world of training, these squats are suitable for all levels. So get ready to challenge your body and achieve toned and firm glutes. Let's get started. Sumo squats. This variation of the squat is excellent for working the inner and outer thigh muscles, as well as the glutes. Plus, it's very effective for improving hip flexibility and mobility. To do it correctly, it's important to place your feet wider than shoulder width apart and turn your toes slightly outward. This will help you focus tension on the muscles of the thighs and glutes. It's also important to keep your back straight and your knees aligned with your toes to avoid injury. Bulgarian split squats. This variation of the squat is a bit more demanding than the sumo squat, as it requires balance and stability. But it's very effective for working the glutes and legs, especially the quadriceps. To do it, you need to place one foot on an elevated surface and the other foot back. Then, lower your body until the knee of the front foot forms a 90-degree angle. It's important to keep your back straight and your front knee aligned with your ankle to avoid injury. This squat is excellent for working stability and improving balance, which will help you in other exercises. Jump squats. This variation of the squat is excellent for increasing the intensity of your workout and burning more calories. When you jump, you exert greater tension on the muscles of the glutes and legs, which will help you tone and strengthen these areas. In addition, jumps are excellent for improving coordination and balance. To perform them, simply do a normal squat and then jump as high as you can. As you land, lower your body to do another squat and repeat the movement. It is important to keep your back straight and land gently to avoid injury. Single leg squats. This variation of the squat is very effective for working each leg individually and achieving muscular balance. It is also excellent for improving the strength and stability of the legs. To perform it, you must lift one leg and lower your body with the other leg. It is important to keep your back straight and the leg you are using to squat slightly flexed to avoid injury. Then, return to the starting position and repeat the movement with the other leg. Weighted squats. Weighted squats are a powerful exercise for developing strength and muscle mass in the glutes. You need a barbell and a squat rack. Place the bar on the upper part of your back, hold it with your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Slowly lower yourself into a squat position, keeping your eyes forward and your knees in place. Make sure your thighs are parallel to the ground before pushing yourself back up. As you feel comfortable, gradually increase the weight. Maintain proper form and perform the exercise safely and effectively. Weighted squats are a great addition to your glute training routine. In addition to these 5 powerful squats we mentioned, we want to recommend a 6th option that will help you take your glutes to the next level. We're talking about the isometric squat. This is a variant of the squat in which you remain in a static position instead of making upward and downward movements. This variation focuses on muscular endurance and is an excellent option for those looking to increase their strength and endurance in the legs and glutes. To perform an isometric squat, stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and your back straight. Then, lower your body until your legs form a 90-degree angle and hold the position for a certain period of time, such as 30 seconds or 1 minute. It is important to ensure proper posture throughout the entire time the position is held. In conclusion, these powerful squats can transform your glutes in no time. Bulgarian squats, sumo squats, jump squats, single leg squats, weighted squats, and isometric squats are effective variations for efficiently working your glutes. Remember that consistency and discipline are the key to achieving notable results. So, integrate them into your training routine and make them a healthy habit in your life. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, leave your comments, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content that will help you improve your lifestyle. See you in the next video.